Hey, it's Sam here, and welcome to this demo of Leads2List. This is a cloud-based software that actually serves as an interface between your Facebook lead generation campaigns and what your customer record management system may be. This could be an autoresponder, this could be any other marketing tool that you have. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what I mean by this. So let's take a look firstly on the right-hand side of this video. I have my ads manager for Facebook. Now, as you can see, I can create lead generation campaigns. When I go about creating these lead generation campaigns, I can link this up to a number of integrations that are authorized by Facebook. So bring your attention over to the left-hand side of the video here. Top integrations, we've got Gmail, we've got MailChimp, we've got various different integrations. We've got ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, just going through, having a look, Infusionsoft, at some of the most popular autoresponders that are available with this. Okay, so these are the sorts of things using Facebook that you can directly put your leads into. Now, it seems like quite a big list there. However, it is lacking some of the ones, say for example, GoToWebinar. If you do webinars, probably other webinar platforms if you own them, other mailing softwares that are particularly prominent within the online marketing industry, especially on JBZoo and Warrior Plus. One example would be SendLane, the autoresponder there as well, and a few others, MyMailIt, things like that, other little independent solutions to being able to carry out your marketing. So that rules out the integration and being able to get leads from Facebook. But that's where Leads2List comes in. So I'm going to open up this and jump over into the dashboard. Okay, Leads2List. If you are not using one of those platforms and you're looking to get your leads from Facebook to sync directly to whatever yours may be, it may be SendLane, it may be GoToWebinar, this is an ideal little interface to do that. Okay, so with this, it links, Leads2List is Facebook approved. So it is one click easy to be able to connect up your pages on Facebook. So I've connected up a few here. I can add a new page at any time by jumping in, seeing what pages I do have accessible and be able to add those in. Okay, now if I am running an ad on this page, say for example on the Sam's Previews page, I could set up a new campaign. So I can add in a campaign, okay, select a page, so I'll choose the Sam's Previews page. Okay, once I've got that, I can select in a lead form and my autoresponder when I have it synced up and the list that I want it to go to. Okay, so I can click yes. So that should give you an idea of how you can do a campaign, and that's where you build the linking section. Okay, now if I go over to autoresponders, it does have some integrations that aren't available with the Facebook one. So some of these would be the GoToWebinar, SendLane, what else have we got? Some of these ones, iContact is quite popular, MyMailIt as well was a big launch recently that does it too. So there is a number of different integrations to go already. Now if you don't have, if it's not on the list, it's very, very simple. You get a form code typically when you create your list, so opt-in form code. You can put in the name here and paste the form code here as well. So when you do that, once you've got a Facebook campaign running, an ad campaign, link it up in that campaigns tab I just showed you, and it will take your leads from Facebook and put them into this form right here. So that's where Leads2List is very, very valuable. It serves as an interface between whatever customer record, whatever autoresponder software you have, and Facebook. So you can get those leads directly from Facebook to your list. No problems, no dramas, very, very simple. So that is it in a nutshell, in a very, very basic form. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what this is all about. To find out more details about this, check it out in detail down below on the bonus page for more information.